And good morning, I'm Dr. Deuk, CEO and founder of the Deuk Spine Institute. I'm here with one of my patients from Trinidad, and he traveled here because he's been having problems with neck pain and related symptoms into his shoulder for years. And he just had the Deuk laser disc repair done yesterday. 3 discs we fixed all at one time with a 4mm incision. No metal, no fusion, no hardware. How do you feel today?
Amazing. Huge difference between how I usually wake up in mornings and how I woke up this morning. Incredible. There was no soreness, no stiffness. Usually I can't rotate the left shoulder when I get up in the morning. Gone.
And your strength is better in your arm, I understand, which is great because we unpinched the nerves. So what was life like for you in terms of restrictions and things you couldn't do before the surgery?
There were always so many days when you would wonder, can I do this or can I do that? You'd be in the gym. Should I pick this weight up? Should I pick that weight up? Is it going to cause me more pain? Can I stand half an hour or an hour in traffic today? Will I be able to go to work tomorrow? All of these things were on your mind every single day, wondering, can I do this? Can I do that? There were so many limitations. But now, listening to your advice and how we get over the healing period, life will go back to normal very quickly. I am so confident that things will just be back to how they should be.
Now, you don't have really a normal life.
Yeah.
You are a very active man, and you like scuba diving, for example. I found out we're both rescue divers.
Yeah.
And so you're going to be able to get back to doing the things you love to do.
I think that is what it's really about, the change in the quality of life post-op, because pre-op it was not good, and it was heading down a really, really bad road. Because you said yesterday too that the amount of stiffness that you found and the amount of damage that you saw, it was pretty bad.
It's been going on for a long time.
Yeah.
We could tell. We got in there endoscopically. I could see in the back of your disc where the tear in the back of the disc wall was and where the jelly was escaping. There were areas that clearly had been going on for 20 years, 30 years perhaps, with dense calcification and scar tissue. I cleaned it up with the laser, and there were some new fresh herniations that happened more recently. So we got it all taken care of. You have a tiny little 4mm incision to show for it. Now, were you offered other types of surgery?
Oh yeah, definitely. Back home in Trinidad, the only thing that they offer is ACDF. That's it. My dad did ACDF a couple of years ago. His recovery period was long. I think his was 2 levels. It was long. He's lost some mobility in the neck because he's now in his 70s. He still has a lot of limitations. That was it. That's the only option between physiotherapy and ACDF. That's it. That's all we have available.
And ACDF is probably the most commonly recommended treatment. It's putting a metal plate, fusing bones together. It's an old treatment that really needs to go away and be replaced by endoscopic laser surgery. So what would you say to your friends and family out there?
First of all, I would really like to thank you, Dr. Deuk, and the Deuk Institute, because you have relieved years of pain in a matter of 90 minutes. To anyone back home that has issues like this, any sort of spinal issue, I would definitely recommend Deuk Institute, because you're going to notice a difference in 24 hours. Even less than that, definitely.
Thank you so much, and it's been a pleasure serving you and meeting your lovely wife. I'm excited to get a picture from you in 6 months from scuba diving.
Definitely.
All right.
Definitely, Doc. And again, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Safe travels home.
Thank you.